It's Wednesday, February 11th, 2026, and we are expecting severe weather, some warmer temperatures, and possibly some more, of a more active weather pattern, and a lot of mountain snow in California. So let's jump straight into today's weather update video. So today, we are going to be expecting a little bit of snow up here in parts of Idaho, which is could cause some snow up there. With probably won't cause too much, but maybe a little bit. Then yes, we are going to be seeing some snow in California today as well, and we got some of that snow that's expected up in the Northeast. And as you guys probably know, it's pretty warm right now for a lot of the United States. You might, like, if you're over here in California, you might notice a little drop in the temperatures, but you can see right here we have pretty much above average temperatures for a lot of you guys over here. We got a little bit of warmer temperatures over here between Indiana and Kentucky in these areas. We do got a little bit of cold temperatures over there, and yeah, we might be seeing a little bit below average temperatures stick around for some of these areas for a little bit longer. But you guys probably know it's above average for this time of the year, so you might notice a little bit of more warmer temperatures. As you can also see right here, we still got some more cold temperatures, but you can see it's gonna get warmer. The temperature anomaly here, and this is going to bring some severe weather to the south, and that could interrupt your Valentine's Day. So if you check out the temperature anomaly right here, it is expected to stay warm. You can see this though clearly right here. Today it is expected to get a little bit more cold in this area, and so like over here in the Northeast, down over here into Ohio Valley, it's expected to get cold again by February, later today into Valentine's Day. So it may be a little bit cold over there. On Valentine's Day, it might start warming up again over here in Ohio Valley in the Northeast. It might get warmer. So that's just what the temperature anomaly is looking like right now with this. So yeah, this is what the temperature is. This is what the temperature could look like on Valentine's Day. Looks like we're expecting fairly warmer temperatures in this area. Northern plains are going to be roasting pretty much. But yeah, you can see we're going to be seeing some more above average temperatures. And then we might see some cold temperatures down here, which can also cause some snow and up here. So yeah, it's going to be pretty warm for a lot of you guys, especially if you're in the plains. I mean, we could see some temperatures in the 60s or 70s out here, which is actually pretty crazy. So that's what's going on with the temperatures. But you guys probably know about the severe weather I've been talking about if you've been watching my videos. As you can see right here, let me show you guys this wind radar. This shows us like the wind and jet stream and stuff. You can see we have this low pressure system sitting off over here, and this will eventually push over here, and this is what it looks like on the 13th of February, which is now over parts of New Mexico and Arizona. That low pressure system will be over New Mexico and Arizona on February 13th, and then that is eventually going to move over into Texas and be low pressure system, and this is when severe weather could start happening. And then you can see that low pressure system will continue moving east and then the low pressure system will move into Alabama and to parts of Georgia. This is what it looks like on the 15th of February, and then it will move into Georgia, and then it is expected to go into the Gulf of Mexico and stuff like that. So this is the jet stream right now as well. It's kind of bent. So that's what's going on with that. And this is going to be severe weather. Usually when it gets warmer in the winter, of course, there's probably going to be some severe weather with it. There could be a little bit of snow with it, but some of the models say different things. So we're not completely sure if we're going to get snow with it or if we're not going to get snow with it. But you can see, let me show you guys the storm right now. It's just off the coast of California. We did have some thunderstorms last night up here. No tornado warnings, though. It was just a few thunderstorms, maybe a few gusty winds. But you can see, around February 13th, we're going to have some rain over here, so what looks like on February 13th. Then that rain is eventually going to transition to possible thunderstorms up here, and we'll still see some rain in some places and possibly even snow up in northern New Mexico on Valentine's Day. But this is what it looks like on Valentine's Day. I would say Valentine's Day, if there's going to be severe weather on Valentine's Day, it'd be somewhere within this area. So yeah, that's what's going on. And then eventually that severe weather threat may start to merge east towards Mississippi, Louisiana, and Alabama and stuff like that. And we might even see a low and severe weather threat over here in Georgia and Alabama on the 15th of February. So just make sure you be staying aware. I don't think the severe weather is going to be a big threat. I would say just maybe some lightning, gusty winds. But a brief split-up tornado is on the table. But there is also a chance that we could see some snow in West Virginia and Virginia. Models are saying different stuff, but there is going to be a little chance that we could see some snow up here during during the storm as well. But the temperatures might be a little bit too warm. And because of the severe weather that we're expecting, we do have a marginal risk in place for Valentine's Day. Today's February 11th. Tomorrow's February 12th. Wait, this is for the 13th. Never mind. So we do have a severe weather threat for the 13th of February for Texas, for like these areas in Texas. It goes from the Big Bend National Park up there towards Snyder, Texas. If you live in this green highlighted area on February 13th, be aware for scattered severe weather and possibly even a spit-up tornado. We'll have more information on this as we get closer to that day. But as of right now, it's looking like there's going to be a chance that we could see some severe weather. We'll have elevated instability and is expected by late afternoon, early evening across the region as a response of increasing moisture and cooling aloft. And then, we could have some of that thunderstorms within the other parts of highlighted areas. But the green is going to be the place that we could see severe weather, but the light green is going to be the place where we could just see thunderstorms and no severe weather. And yes, we do have a little bit of a chance to see some not severe thunderstorms. We do have a chance to see just normal thunderstorms out here in parts of southeastern Georgia, mainly if you live in this little highlighted area, and parts of South Carolina as well. So that's what's going on with that risk. And we do have a severe weather risk, but this is also going to come with some flooding risks. So if you're over here in northern Texas and Oklahoma City, there's going to be chances for some flooding. And that risk is going to go up a little bit as we go into Arkansas, where there's going to be a chance for some flooding on Valentine's Day. If you live in Arkansas, especially central Arkansas, be aware for flooding on Valentine's Day. Same thing with northeastern Texas, including Dallas, and northern Louisiana, northern Mississippi, in these areas. Northern Louisiana, northeastern Texas, you guys also should be aware for severe weather, but as you can see right here, this is the rainfall outlook. And then the flooding risks will eventually merge more east to these areas. So Atlanta, Mobile, Jacksonville, Columbia, Wilmington, and Charlotte. Be aware for flooding after Valentine's Day, which is mainly going to be on the 15th or 16th. So yeah, we'll be watching the excessive rainfall as well. But as of right now, there's nothing too much to be worrying about. Just keep in mind that we could be seeing severe weather on February 13th if you live in this area. And the CPC, the Climate Prediction Center, is expecting above average temperatures for a big chunk of the United States over the next 6 to 10 days. As you can see over here, we are expecting above average temperatures for the next 6 to 10 days, and the western United States being cold temperatures for the next 6 to 10 days. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next weather update video, which will most likely be tomorrow. Bye.